Hello, good morning, and this is my recording for the day 173. And I'm still high from the anime that we watch, so I don't do any of that substances, but I'm pretty much intoxicated with the ending of the anime. What was that? Hibike Euphonium. So it's an orchestra anime. We finished the first and second season weeks ago, and we just finished the last season now. And one of the things that fascinate me is that although the main character was a little bit bland from the start, he or she was able to fully develop as a character from being a timid girl to an outstanding student council, or not really student council, but the president of the orchestra club. And I was expecting a bit more emotional. Mamaya, I will just finish this video. And one of the most impactful scene for me was the moment that the main character was not chosen as the soloist instead of the new transferee who is also a third year. So yeah, that's kind of bit sad for her, especially since she is the main character. But I think overall it makes the story a bit more realistic, and she was still on deciding what would be her career, and at the end of the story she was able to be a teacher, a musical teacher. And I think it really fits her personality wise as well as the characteristic. Although she is not that great of a talent, but she has a talent to play the euphonium, which is the title of the anime, Hibike Euphonium, which is sound euphonium. And it is also one of the piece that she really plays when she's down. The piece itself comes from the father of her senior, which is a euphonium composer. So it's pretty nice touch. And aside from that, not much else. I did ride motorcycle today, and yeah, I after I ride it, there's a lot of checkpoints, so I didn't want to get check. So I just got home, and that's pretty much all the things that happened today. And I would say it's pretty well spent anime watching time, since it's really